Good morning. The Diamond Supermaker Case. Strategy Proposal Case Leadership. Student name Edwin Aroldo Fox. Date 19 October 2, Tuesday and the 22. General definition of the cost strategy. It is a strategic measure that a company uses with the aim having lowering production costs with respect to the production costs of its competition, offering price of its products more attractive to its consumers. Strategic proposals for the catch. Diamond Supermaker must implement a strategy such as cost leadership in order the strategy is supply chain which is very rudimentary. An optional production system must be achieved in priority towards its own cost leadership. You must negotiation under optimal conditions with each of the suppliers as follows. Set delivery dates, payments, order automation. With the use of the cost leadership strategy, you can set your own sprints to each of the products, making consumer hit product and the lower costs. And that Diamond Supermaker is now the market bid competition. Thank you.